you think you can beat that, post a response. But I will be back with a lot more